what's happening? I tell you exactly what's happening. This is a miniature little explore. Now it's not going to be a long one, it's going to be a short video. Got the car with me, car is still running, simply because it's a one-way road. There's literally nowhere to pull off. The car is in four-wheel drive mode as well. The air suspension's raised up, but I can't stick it anywhere because it's literally ditches and I don't want to damage the car, to be honest with you. So you might say, why have you got the car with you? Well, I've got the car with me because I've literally just been to do my weekly shopping, essential shopping, which I do twice a week because I do eat a lot, I'll be totally honest with you. And stick close as well, just in case I have to move the car, because I know that's going to happen at some point. But I'm literally by an old cemetery which dates back to the late 1800s, early 1900s. Some of these are graves are. Little story on the place. Used to be 3 asylums in Bridgend, lunatic hospitals. I hate saying that word, but that's exactly what they were. A couple of those are closed down many years ago. One was on the old Sainsbury site in Bridgend, one's on the Park Prison site in Bridgend. Not 100% sure about that. Look it up, it might be right. I'm not an historian, never once said I was. I just like history, like exploring, all that sort of stuff. Now, one of the hospitals, it's literally a stone throw away from you. I've just literally driven past it to get here. I'm not going to say the name of the cemetery or that hospital because it's still active. There's still people with mental health, etc. in there, and it's not nice, is it? So respect their privacy, let them do that. Nonetheless, let's show you this. Now, literally just check this place. It is old, it is cool, and a lot of these graves, apparently there's over 200 people buried here and they're all unmarked apart from a few doctors, hospital workers, one patient that they're very fond of, from what I can remember. I said it's been years and years. And also there is a war grave around here as well at some point. But just check some of these. Awesome. Now this here is one of the most famous ones here, I think. You know, I say famous, you know, one of the most well-known ones here, which is Robert Stewart. Died September 28th, 1906, 44 years of age. Incredible. It's got some incredible trees here. It's just a very nice little cemetery, if I'm honest with you. Just look at how old some of these are. Of course, gravestones are down, some of them are unmarked. As you can see, John Donovan, 1904. All of these nice little benches. It's still set up quite nice, and I'll be totally honest with you. What are these down here? Are they tree roots or old stone? Look, they might be graves themselves, which have all collapsed down over the years. I'm not entirely sure. Beer cans, people are going on down here. Literally, see through there, if you can quite make it out. That's the perimeter of the new hospital. So that's how close we are. That's why I'm trying to respect it. There we go. There's a lot of nice trees. Some of these would make incredible photos, I'll be honest with you. I'm going to have to come back here and have a look. Literally, this one is short, it's sweet. It's a little explore. I'll be honest with you, I wouldn't normally bring the car out, but it's a simple fact of I've done my weekly shop, so I'm on my way back home. So there we go. Stay safe in lockdown. It's been a crazy week this week. A lot of stuff to tell you. Catch up soon.